Hello Year 3 and welcome to the maths lesson for Tuesday the 23rd of February. Now, yesterday we were looking at partitioning and recombining to help us to speed up when we are doing our mental calculations. So today we're going to just have a quick recap of that. So today we've got the question, our calculation is 68 minus 36. So 68 take away 36. The first thing I've done is partition my 36 into a 30 and a 6. Now you'll remember what we were doing yesterday when we were taking individual ones away from ones. But this time we're going to have a look at taking tens and ones away from tens and ones. So let's have a look. We've got 68, which can be partitioned into 60 and 8. So I can take away 30 from 60 to give me 30, and then I can take away 6 ones away from 8 ones, which leaves me with 2 ones, and then if I recombine that it gives me an answer of 32. And we can show that with the Deans as well, with the base 10 cubes. So we've got 68 shown here, we've got 6 tens and 8 ones. So if I take 3 of those tens away and 6 of the ones, you can see that I'm left with 3 tens, which is 30, 2 ones, and then if I recombine those, it gives me a total of 32. And I can show it again on a number line. Starting at 68, I'm subtracting, so I'm going to be taking away and taking jumps to the left. So 68 take away 30. Well, 68's got 6 tens, and I want to take away 3 tens. So 6 tens take away 3 tens, leaves me with 3 tens, and my ones digit hasn't changed, so I'm on reach to 38. Now I need to take away 6 ones. Well, 38 has got 3 tens and 8 ones. So 8 ones take away 6 ones, leaves me with 2 ones, giving me an answer to the calculation of 32. Now it's your turn. Choose your challenge. See how many you can get through in 5 minutes. To be successful, you're going to need to partition and recombine to subtract, and use your place value knowledge to help you with your tens and ones subtractions. Okay, I'll see you in a moment. Great job. Okay, let's have a look at check your answers now, see how you did. Fantastic. Now, for our main part of our lesson today, we're going to be adding and subtracting 3-digit numbers and ones. And today, to be successful, we need to be able to represent our calculations in different ways. We need to be able to understand our place values in 3-digit numbers, and we're going to need to exchange when we're adding or subtracting. So we'll have a look now and see what that entails. So today we've got a calculation 245 plus 7. So I've got 2 hundreds, I've got 4 tens, which gives me 40, and I've got 5 ones, and I'm going to add 7 more ones. Well, I can see straight away that if I add these 5 ones to those 5 ones, that's going to give me 10. So I need to exchange. What I need to do is swap all of those 10 ones for another 10. So let's quickly swap those out of our calculation. And that now leaves me with 200s, 5 10s and 2 1s. So if we recombine that, it gives us an answer of 252. And this is the exchanging part where we're swapping this 10 for these 10 1s. And let's look at it in a different way, different representation. So we can do it on a number line. If we start at 245, I can split my 7. Now I know what goes with 5 to get to the next 10. And I'm sure you do as well. So that's going to be a 5. And then that's going to leave me with 2 more to add on. So to get to the next 10, I'm going to take one jump of 5, and that gets me to 250. And then I've got to add 2 more on. So I've added 7 in altogether, and that gets me to 252. Now, having a quick look at our place value grid over here, we can see that I have got 200, I have got 4 10s, and I've got 5 1s, but I need to add 7 more 1s. So you can see I've got 5 1s there and 7 1s there. Now, just like before, I've got a whole group here of 1s which make 10. So I need to do my exchange. I need to exchange that 10 into there. And then I need to exchange this 10 out of the way. So this 10 has exchanged for that, and I'm now left with 2 1s, giving me a total of 242. Now that's the adding. Let's have a look at when we are subtracting. So we've got the same digits, 245, subtract 7. So we've got 200s, 4 10s, 5 1s. Now I need to take 7 away, but I've only got 5 1s. So what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to have to open another pack of 10. So I'm going to exchange that 10 for 10 1s. So now I've got, let me just turn these around. Now I've got 15 1s and I can take my 7 away. And to show that they're taken away, I'm going to cross them off. So I'm going to cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that now leaves me with 200s, 3 10s, and 5, 6, 7, 8 1s, giving me, when we recombine, a total of 238. If we have a look over here, we can show it on a number line. So if we start at 245, we can split the 7. 5 takes something to get to the nearest 10. Well, that's going to be 5. So we'll do a jump of 5 to get to 240. And then we've still got 2 more that we need to take away. So we'll do another jump to take 2 more away, which gets me to 238. And quickly showing on our hundreds, tens and ones place value grid, we've got 245 showing there. I need to take away 7, so I need to swap one of these 10s for 10 ones. So I've now got 230 and 15 ones. So I can take my 7 away, cross them off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which leaves me with 238. So we can see that the answer to 245 minus 7 is 238. Now your task for today, similar to yesterday, you're going to be showing a calculation in different ways. So you need to write it in words. You're going to write it as a number sentence, build it and draw it, and explain it on a number line. You need to look carefully to see if you need to add or subtract, because they're mixed up today. For your task 2, you've got 4 calculations to work out, and I'd like you to show me which way you've worked them out. You might decide to use a number line, you might decide to use a place value grid, or you might decide to draw it in Dean's and then cross out or add extra ones on if you're adding or subtracting. And then for task 3 today, you've got some word problems. So let's have a look at this word problem. We need to pick out some of the key information here. So a baker bakes 122 loaves of bread. He sells, that means he gets rid of those, 5 loaves of bread. And the question is, how many does he have left? So how many are left? So our calculation here is going to be 122 subtract 5. And then you'll be able to work it out. So have a go at all of those. And remember to send in your work. We do love to look at it, and I think you like to hear our feedback on it as well. So that's really great. And then our next lesson will be available from 5 o'clock today. Take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.